That's what I'm oh. Where are you? Are you gonna snatch? I really just fed a wild bird. Oh my goodness, it was so cute.
And I got it on camera. Here finally, Big Sur. The view is amazing. Came here for the view. Don't know what the food like. So finna see. Guess we could just check it out. Oh wow, that's just amazing. Hello. Hello. Eat at the restaurant? Yeah.
I'm gonna go check out the view first and see which one's better.
Sorry, no crab today. It does not have crab today, so outfit finished today. Dripping. Oh yeah. Okay.
I'll take pictures.
Why you don't want to take pictures? Hello.
You guys here for lunch?
Yes.
Yes, perfect. We open in about 25 minutes. Is that
Okay.
alright?
Okay.
Did you have a preference on being along the window or outside on one of the railings?
What's the best view?
Oh, sorry. So if you'd like, you can take a walk around. We've got our south rails over here, and then our veranda rail straight through and out the red doors.
Okay.
Let me just get a name. Alright, so yeah, these are more of a coastal view, and these are more of a water view.
Okay.
Okay.
And then we could just move one of these.
Right here is
Oh, sorry. I'm gonna leave this here. I'm gonna go test.
okay.
Or we're just gonna see. Oh!
Okay. It's much cooler in the shade. But it's not much. This is amazing. The wind is subtle. It's perfect.
These people will just stop talking. We like it. Thanks for bringing me to the mysterious.
I know, we rode by this thing so many times and everybody's like, it's a big sign. And then we come back, we see the big sign.
But on the way there, we didn't see anything. On the way here, I didn't even see this.
No, we just rode right by it. It's right off the side of the road. Not even a hidden gem, it's just a gem. Look at that smile. You see anything you like?
I don't see the honey. Definitely the view.
I guess we better put in our drink order and our meal.
Yeah. And a side order of umbrellas. Jesus Christ.
This sun is cooking.
But it's so worth it though.
It is worth it.
Myself for lunch. Jesus Christ.
Huh? Veggie options. Are you vegetarian burger?
Yeah, veggie burger. We also have the California beef salad and appetizers as well. Some of those are vegetarian too.
I want to try this burger. This is pretty good.
It is good, yeah. The way it comes, normally we recommend it medium rare.
Maybe medium well. It's probably pretty good though.
Oh, yeah. Of course. And famous.
Shrimp BOT.
Shrimp
And what does it come with?
You have an option of butter buns and kidney beans, crunchy coleslaw, or a tossed green salad.
I'll take the salad.
Sure.
Oh, and no bacon, please.
No bacon. I can
Do
put
you
it on
want
the side
bacon?
if you carry.
Yeah, I'll take the bacon.
Dressing on the side, bacon on the side.
Thank you. She got shrimp BLT.
The B and BLT is for you.
And I got an ambrosia, which is a burger with special sauce, cheddar salad. Oh, they gave me a pickle too. I want to get a video.
What a mix.
Very rich.
Yeah.
Rich mayo.
It's funny because tomorrow night is supposed to be good with the
Oh, that's why we're taking advantage of being here today.
Absolutely happy. Welcome in.
Can I get that pork?
Okay, the request is
So you want me to put it on the side so she can have it?
I already know I eat pork.
allergy, black pepper,
I can double check, yeah.
I'm just glad that you don't care that I have eating restrictions.
I'll eat it.
You'd be surprised how many times I've gotten bitch fat.
Put some lettuce on it.
That's what my
Oh, are you gonna snatch one? Oh my god, did I get it?
I hope so.
Yo. You said I was gonna get it. He was like, give it to me.
Oh my goodness.
I hope I got it. I was so amazed. The bird just flew all the way up here and got a french fry and left.
okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Let me make sure that everything.
That was amazing. I don't want to stop recording now.
Wow. I really just fed a wild bird. Oh my goodness. It was so cute.
And I got it on camera.
Watch him go to his
So
cousins. I'm about to come to like all of them.
Right.
Oh, this must be his cousin. Good? Safe?
Very good.
There's some big shrimp. Look at that. Oh, I want him to come back. Thanks for bringing me here.
No reception and there's no Wi-Fi.
This is crazy.
75 degrees at Cambria.
He said it's been some whale sightings recently. But when I used to live on the water in Pacifica, the whales would only come out early in the morning.
Yeah, they're mostly morning time.
Like early, really early. And it would come really close.
Same in Mexico.
I miss living there. I miss living there.
Why don't you move back?
The salt water was rusting in my car.
That's the only problem.
Yeah.
See the picture.
Do you have Wi-Fi here? Because it doesn't come up. Oh, okay, you don't.
Oh, beautiful view, Steph. Water, yeah.
Thank you.
What I traded.
Oh, thank you.
Of course. Everything delicious?
Yes,
Good?
very good.
Thank you.
This burger was really good.
Thank you.
I ain't even touched my water.
Girl, you're really drinking your.
That Sprite is too good right now. I apologize to myself for breaking my promise. I didn't promise, though. I just said I would.
So now is it a promise?
I don't make promises. Promises get broken.
I just don't make promises I can't keep.
I don't make them at all.
Yeah, hopefully.
Everybody trying to get service.
I just kind of want to enjoy the view.
Yeah.
Silly. I could sit here forever. Is that Fred?
He did a drive-by to see what we could see.
Make sure we still got some fries. I don't think fries are good for them. I should have given him some lettuce.
He ain't come back. Hope I can choke.
Don't say that.
This salad's good.
What kind of dressing did you get?
Ranch.
I mean, is it sweeter? Is it?
I like garlicky. It's so good though. It's so good though. Look how big this is. We love eating.
Oh, go back. Go back.
We love eating, so make sure y'all check out our mukbang. We always eating.
Always. All done.
It's good.
You got stuff on your teeth.
I'm gonna see if she tell me.
Girl, yes.
That was delicious.
Billy's? It was scrumptious.
Very. Camera is hot. Still going though. Still going strong. We out here, it's no service, no Wi-Fi, so we're just out here enjoying the wilderness and the view.
Alright, I'm so sorry.
Thank you, ladies, very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hope you enjoy the rest of your day.
You too.
See you next time, right?
All right, thank you.
I'll leave the tip then. I got it. I got it. Stop.
All right, I just gotta sign it. That's all.
Find the rest of the fives.
I'm putting 0.
Careful, you just also lost the dollar down there.
Oh, thank you. Did you get a tan?
I'm sure I did get a nice tan. This view, y'all, is so amazing. I'm getting tan. I'm sun-kissed right now. Oh my gosh. Crazy, right? Can't wait till my rare burger get here. I got to make a phone call real quick, and it's not a privacy thing. It really got a dial tone.
Yeah.
It really has a dial tone. It works.
Who you calling? Who you calling? Who you
I
calling?
haven't seen one of these in forever.
That's so cute.
I was a kid, I was
made my phone call because there's no cell service out here. There's no Wi-Fi, but there is a payphone. 50 cents.
I should have called you.
Yeah, I would picked up. That's why I always said, if you get one phone call, you gotta call one person. Who's gonna answer?
Who are you gonna call?
My mother. She'll answer every time, even if she's at work.
You've only failed me once, but so I call you.
I probably was asleep.
My mom never answers the phone.
My brother never answers, but my mother.
No, literally nobody
will
ever
answer.
answers my phone calls.
I will.
You.